Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome product called VidMaster, which is a secret AI software that creates reels and short videos for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram and Facebook for tsunami of traffic and sales and affiliate commissions on autopilot. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 free action taken bonuses totally free worth $699 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.
It has never been easier to create engaging reels and short videos for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and Snapchat for tons of free traffic. But with VidMaster, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. Choose the social media platform to create reel or shorts for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and Snapchat. Step 2. Enter a keyword. Just enter a keyword and you will get several short videos. Select any video and customize it by adding eye-catchy background, vectors, audio, fonts, and colors. Step 3. Publish and profit. Now publish your reels and shorts on different social platforms with a click to drive unlimited viral traffic and sales to your offers, pages, or websites. No installation, no video editing, or other techie stuff. With VidMaster, you can do much more. With VidMaster, you can create reels and shorts by entering just one keyword, and you will get a number of short videos to choose. Create boomerang videos, those are trendy, and get even more followers. You can even create high-quality, explanatory whiteboard short video by just adding your text. These videos are highly effective and informative. You can create reels by images. Just search images with keywords inside VidMaster or upload your own images. Easily create reels and shorts by using 50-plus background templates to get more and more engagement. You can even make more engaging and attention-grabbing reels and shorts by using 25-plus vector images, 100-plus stylish fonts to make video more presentable, eye-catchy header text style to grab attention. Choose font, outline, and background color for full flexibility for creating amazing shorts and reels video. Add music waves with different color to your short videos. Build your authority by adding watermarks and logos in the video. You can easily publish and share the video on YouTube Shorts. You can also share these reels and short videos to 100-plus social media platforms directly to get free viral traffic. Isn't it amazing? Yes, this is a state-of-the-art solution, and I am sure that you will love it. Lastly, you don't need to spend a single dollar on expensive subscriptions or hire any freelancer for video editing and voiceover creation. Everything is covered and runs on our ultra-fast cloud-based platform. And in case you ever get stuck, we'll always be here for you with our customer support. So, I hope you are thrilled with the premium features I just shared with you.